surfers, it's cowabunga time. Let's ride the wave. Hop on your board. And oh! Don't fall off. One more time, there's one big wave. All right, you rode the wave, get off your surfboard. Face me, get your pump it up arms out, and let's practice. Up, down, center, and together.
Turn up your radio, blast your stereo.
Back down to the US.
We rockin' this contagious.
Y'all, we got another wave coming.
Just confess your girl
Add some arms.
FRESH, we fresh. GEF, that's right, we devil.
The wave's about to get a little sexier. Slow down.
So, turn me up. Turn me up. Turn me up.
Face me to the front. 4, 3, 2. Surfboard! This is the biggest wave yet! Here we go! Slide to the surf!
Turn up your radio, blast your stereo.
Last one! Pump it out, then you're done! Ha! Ha! Last one! Pump it! Nothing says pump it like a trip to activebooty.com. You can get anything you see here and more in sizes 5X to extra small. If you want to listen to this song, you can search our workout playlist on Spotify, Workout by the Fitness Marshall, and you can do 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions with our Booty Army Elite membership.